Use searching softwares for text-to-speech? Well, we use the same software for today's videos too. It's undeniable that Murf AI is becoming essential software for every content creator, but what is Murf? Also, what are its pros and cons, why should you use it, and how much it costs? Welcome to Learn Business Basics. In this video, if you enjoy our content, please subscribe to our channel and leave a like. I'd like to get started before further ado. What is Murf AI? The Murf AI voiceover tool is an online tool that lets you create ultra-realistic voice overflows from the text. It features a voice collection of more than 100 expert voices in 20 languages that were carefully chosen. These voices can be used for a variety of things, including marketing, YouTube, podcasts, and e-learning. It can be used to make product videos, video games, and audiobooks. A startup called Murf created this AI voiceover program in 2020. It provides a web-based solution that converts your voice recordings into transcripts with studio-caliber AI text-to-speech. The software is easy to navigate and allows you to match the timing of your voice to your video's audio sync. You can even edit the speech and the voice to make it fully unique, which is a feature that not all TTS programs have. Also, it offers multi-user access, team collaboration, and a fast support if needed. This voiceover service is easy to use and comes with a free trial. Can I monetize my YouTube channel with Murf AI? According to recent YouTube rules, you cannot get your YouTube channel monetized with a robotic voice. However, Murf AI really help you to monetize your YouTube channel as Murf AI generates real human voices. What is Murf AI prices? Now let's discuss the Murf AI pricing options. These are following pricing plans of Murf AI. 1. Free plan. Everyone can use this plan for free. In free plan you will get these benefits. You will able to try all 120 plus voices. 10 minutes of voice generation. 10 minutes of transcription. Share link for audio, video output. No downloads. Single user. No credit card required. Number 2. Base size plan. This plan is suitable for individuals, and it's $13 yearly and $19 monthly. Following benefits are added in this plan. Limitless downloads. You can avail of 2 hours or voice generation per month, which means you will get 24 hours yearly. You can choose 10 different languages and can access 60 voices. It includes commercial usage reports, email and chat support. As mentioned earlier, it's for a single user. Number 3. Pro plan. This plan is suitable for professionals, and it's $26 yearly and $39 monthly. Following benefits are added in this plan. Limitless downloads. You can avail of 8 hours of voice generation per month, which means you will get 86 hours yearly. You can choose 20 different languages and can access around 120 voices. It includes commercial usage reports. It's possible to record the voice and edit it. Voice changer. You can add up to 3 users to utilize these features as a team. Priority support. Number 4. Enterprise plan. This plan is suitable for agencies and business, and it's $167 yearly and $249 monthly. Following benefits are added in this plan. Customizable voice generation time. SSO. You can choose the number of users here. It's not limited to 3, but up to a specific number of users. Custom transcription time. Centralized invoices. You will get support from dedicated account managers. Can user cancel a subscription anytime? Yes, absolutely. If user want to cancel plan, simply go to Manage Billing under Profile and cancel. This will ensure that any future payments would not be deducted. If it will cancel, user will continue to have access to all the premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. Advantages of using Murf AI. Overall, the software has been exquisitely created. In essence, the service delivers on its promise and accomplishes its goal. Here are a few particular aspects of Murf AI that you could find appealing. Over 120 voices in 20 languages are available for you to select from. You can make the voice more interesting by adding a video, image, or music to it. The AI voice generator provides all the tones, intonations, pitches, and expressions you need to have a human sound. Before converting the text to speech, an AI-powered grammar assistant identifies errors in the text. Transform human voiceovers into professional AI voiceovers. Work together on the platform with other members of the team. No coding experience is required to use this software. Create voiceovers and video clips extremely fast. Share the voiceovers with others by downloading and exporting them. Cons of Murf AI. We didn't find anything objectionable, but additional languages should be included, in our opinion. Conclusion: should you buy Murf AI? Murf AI is the solution for you if you're seeking for one of the top artificial intelligence voice generators with voiceovers that seem natural. There is a sizable selection of AI voices and languages available. Before committing to a subscription plan, you can test the majority of features during the free trial. The background music can't be faded in and out, which is the main drawback. However, considering the excellent voiceovers it offers, this is a modest cost. In conclusion, I heartily endorse Murf AI. Check the link in description to get access to Murf AI website. That was all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.